Big bait, man. Come on, bad boy, you got it? There he goes. Downtown. Oh. Got it. This is the third fish, guys. I just lost one in a snag. I didn't have my camera on. Well, I lied. I was trying to get my camera on. And then I caught one before that. I did not have the camera on. Was fishing some shallow water, 22 foot. Kind of on a flat, on a channel ledge. Plenty of bait fish around. Figured I'd give it a shot. Everything's against me today. River's falling. Just had a big giant front come through last night. So, catching a few fish is a surprise. Noise maker. Stop it. Got everything against me today, but I'm still catching fish. How about that? Did not have a problem catching bait though. Kinds of nice shad. Just got 2 rods out, thrown out, 1 suspended. We got a lot of current. We're at 72,000 KCF. River's down 27.5, but it's smoking because it's falling fast. So I don't know. I'm kind of screwing around right now trying to catch some of these easy fish that are around. I wanted to drift. This was not really in the plan, but it's working. So let's keep at it for a few minutes. My plan was to have 1 coffee and go, but they keep taking the rods down. Fish. Whoa! That's a big fish. Come on, baby, stay on there. Yep, that's a big fish. That's what we're looking for. Man. That's a big, big fish. Oh my gosh. Stay on there. I'm gonna play around. I'm gonna get in trouble here. That's a big, big fish. We ain't playing with him. That's what we've been looking for, man, for a while. Big fish. Got a tank on here, Joseph. Got my buddy over there, big subscriber. Man, this thing just, I almost wonder if it's a big flathead. It was slow. Whew, man. Oh man, man, oh man, oh man. Please stay on there. Oh, please stay on there. Go, we're recording. It's drifting this ledge. We don't need a net, I know that. Gosh. Got some current, but I'm telling you. Just working on getting this thing open. Don't need it. Come on. Don't give me no trouble. No time for trouble. Nowhere near even done. All right, let's work on getting him up. A lot of current here. I'm thinking this might be, it might be a flathead. He pumped it, popped it down. I don't feel no rolls. I know one thing, he is going to go off. There he goes, right back down. Please, baby, stay on. We already had trouble today. Lost a pretty good fish earlier, probably a 15. Oh yeah, big flathead. There he goes. Thought it was. Nice flatty. Trying to double hook rig, guys. Oh, got one on the back. There he is. There we go, doubled up. My double hook rig worked. Come on, baby, come on. There you go. Oh! Woo! Got another one back here. Oh man. Not bad. This one's got a little wobble on him. Shoo! Double. Double. Hold on, big baby, we'll get you back. So I'll show you my new rig. It's a 3-way. Been attaching the sinker right to it and putting a double snell hook, 2 hooks snelled. That culprit. Let's let him go so we can deal with this flathead. Nice fish, guys. You know what? I'll be nice to myself. There we go. Just let this one go. So, the bottom hook actually got him. Show you. I've loosed some fish suspended. There's nothing you can do about it because they just spin when they go down. So it's an 8/0 and a 10/0 trophy cat tackle, 80-pound test, Andy Monster, 8-ounce sinker, 3-way, clipped on. Look at that, beautiful fish. Oh, what a stud. Man, he was strong, guys. Strong fish. I'm gonna take a picture. I'm letting him go. Got a couple mites on him right there, probably from that hot, slow current. Hopefully they work their way off here soon. But there we go, guys. That's what we're talking about. Thought he was gonna be bigger, but man, you seen that fight. What a day. Wasn't looking for this. Let him go. Let him go. Whew, excellent. There we go. Fish on. I just come over a hump. Pour that cup of coffee. There's a hump right there. Cool. Move this. Uh-oh. You got that one? Hope not. Oh, he ain't bad fish. Take it. Hey, hey. Just came over a hump. Got a bunch of fish under me right now. Just gonna stop. I got a lot of fish under me. Stop a second. Just a little guy. That's all right. We lost a nice one. We got a lot of fish under me right now. I would not be surprised if we don't have some go down. It's just a little baby. It's all right. A whole bunch of them right here. Shoot, man. Come on, guys. There he is. Yep. Just like I said, a whole bunch of them right there. Yep. Better one here. Definitely a better fish. I'm kind of, oh. It's part of the game, guys. Part of the game. Son of a gun. Whatever. There we go. Fish on. Started another drift in a different area. Like a little youngster. It's all right. Like I said, this river's dropping. Front came through. I wasn't expecting to do much today, but I ain't gonna catch nothing laying in my bed watching TV. Moving about 0.7, 0.8 right now. Wind keeps shifting, which is not very pleasant. We'll work it. He ate a big old bait. Double hook rig. That's a big bait. He grabbed that bottom of that. He got himself hooked up. That's what I was expecting right there. Take them all, right? It's an 8-aught on the bottom of that. Belly's all right. 47 foot. Just let that little donkey go. It's gonna be a big guy someday. Water temp 72 on the top. Big bait, man. I like to keep my bait about 4 or 5 feet off the bottom. Most people do 3. Well, I like to do 4, and that's just because you might run over a rock or a tree, something like that. Plus, I seem to get a lot better takedowns. Right here, you'll see I put the part of that tip of that rod down in the water, and then I lift it straight up. Everything's tight, so I'm about 4 foot, something like that. Or if I'm drifting along and I want to drop them down, so I've got a Minn Kota Tarova back up if I go around the whole boat. Right there, it's got an iPilot on it. So I got that thing running on 2.5. I'm going 0.3, 0.4 right at the moment. The wind is behind me, blowing me around some. And I do have a sway, so off and on I'm letting off, trying to stay around 5 to 7. It's getting to be a little difficult right now, but I also hit that navigation button to try to keep myself in line with where I want to be. I'm on a shelf going down. I'm trying to stay on the bottom of that ledge. Here he is. That's him. Yep. I seen him on the graph. I was just saying that's a monster fish, but looks like there's a couple of them. Spot lock. Stay on there. He is wound up too. Big fish on the graph. This ain't him. He'll do. Come on, man, go back down. Current's got him up. God darn it. It's when you lose them when they come up and they're spinning like that. Come on, man, go back down. Nice fish though. I'll put him in the net. There he comes. Oh, he's moving fast too. What are you doing, buddy? Come on. Fish on, fish on. No. Oh, I can't wait till this water goes back down. goodie though. It's a goodie. Oh, there goes my coffee pot. Phew. That's the con part of that double hook rig, is you get hooked up a little bit here and there. Ooh, you gotta watch your fingers too. Phew. Dang, I got me a mess. All right. Excitement, guys. Phew. Wow. Good fish. Double hook, got him. I'll get that out later. Trying to take a picture. Let's let him go. Good one. Woo! Another stud catch. Take it. Here he comes. There's one on the graph bouncing around. Hope I turn that back on. Here, I'll show you. See him right there? He's bouncing around. That right there is what I'm looking for. There he is. Come on, bad boy. There you go. There you go. There you go. He waited on that coffee. He wanted that coffee. They always want to try to get me to spill it. Getting ready to come up on this shallow flat here. I'm at 39. I know it comes up a lot more than that. I thought, well, don't give up, man. You know, I don't have a whole lot longer to go. So, come on, little dude. You are wound up, ain't you? Hey, 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 hey. It's a nice fish under me right now, though. Just gonna spot lock a second. They're eating big bait, man. They're not shy. This little fish ate a big bait. That was all right. Oh, little fat stud. Well, I always tell people don't give up, even if it's the last few minutes. And that's what I decided was, just like earlier, I was getting ready to stop and I caught a pretty nice one. I thought, you know what, I'm gonna stick to my plan and I'm just gonna keep on my run here. There's a certain area that I want to stop and give up down there. Well, we ain't giving up, but that's my time limit on what I wanted to really do, because I'd rather not be stuck in rush hour traffic driving a boat, you know what I mean, home. Hang tight, let's see if we can get us another. Alright guys, I had to cut the video short because the rest of the day, put it this way, I stayed till rush hour traffic like an idiot. But you don't want to miss out on the rest of the day. Several monsters were caught. It was just off the hook. Sure appreciate you guys watching. It means a lot to me. This day was a day I've been waiting for. Trust me, you'll see when you see some of the fish in the next video. Although that flathead, he really gave me a run for my money. I was really happy for him. That's why I give him the round of applause. So, appreciate y'all. Like, subscribe, share with your buddies. Comment all you want. I'll always get back to you. And if you want to donate to the coffee pot, you can hit the thanks button down below. Appreciate you. See you on the next round. Don't forget, tap that bell so you can see this next video.